these numbers. The square roots of 24 minus 7i can be expressed in the Cartesian form x plus iy by first forming a quartic equation in x or y. Find the square roots of 24 minus 7i. So the square root of 24 minus 7i equals x plus yi. That's the first step because in the form of x plus yi. And this means if we square both sides, on the left we cancel out the square root, and on the right we expand x times x, 2 times x times yi, and yi all squared. And remember that I squared is minus 1, which means we have x squared minus y squared for the real part, and for the imaginary part 2xy. Now we equate the real part and the imaginary part on both sides. On the left, the real part is 24, so 24 equals x squared minus y squared, and the imaginary part is minus 7, so minus 7 equals 2xy. So now we need to solve the simultaneous equations in two variables x and y. We can use substitution here. We divide both sides by 2x. We get y equals minus 7 over 2x. So we replace this y with minus 7 over 2x. After squaring, we get 49 over 4x squared. And then we multiply both sides by the denominator 4x squared. So we multiply both sides by 4x squared. On the left we have 96x squared, on the right x squared times 4x squared, 4x to the fourth. And when we multiply here, we cancel out, we have only minus 49. And now we have a quadratic actually. So we can subtract 96x squared from both sides. We get minus 96x squared on the right. And this is actually a quadratic in x squared. So x to the fourth is x squared again squared. So we have like 4a squared minus 96a minus 49. And we can use the quadratic formula, b squared minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And use a calculator, we get 49 over 2 and minus 1 over 2. So remember the x is actually x squared. So x squared is 49 over 2. We take the square root, we get plus minus 7 over root 2. And from here, if we take the square root, we're gonna get the square root of minus something which is imaginary. So this is rejected because x and y should be real. So we have only two possible x values, plus 7 over root 2 and minus 7 over root 2. For the y value, it's minus 7 over 2x. So you plug in the x. Because there's a minus, we're gonna get minus plus. So this is plus minus, this is minus plus. And if you use your calculator, 7 over 2 times this, you're gonna get root 2 over 2. So this means for the final answer, the square root of 24 minus 7i equals positive, so positive 7 over root 2 minus root 2 over root 2i, and minus 7 over root 2 plus root 2 over 2i. Okay, that's the final answer. We have two roots. Alright, I'll see you again next time.